In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a QR code for reviews in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what each section means, and how to create a QR code that you can use on your marketing materials to collect customer reviews quickly and easily. First, make sure you're logged in to your GoHighLevel account and that you've selected the correct location or sub-account you want to work in. Once you're inside that location, look for the main navigation menu on the left-hand side. From there, you're going to click on the section labeled Reputation. This is where GoHighLevel keeps all of the tools related to reviews, feedback, and online reputation management. After you click on Reputation, you'll see several tabs and options related to reviews. At the top or near the top of this page, look for the option called Settings and click on it. Think of this area as the control center for how your review requests and review tools behave, including your QR codes. Inside the reputation settings area, you'll see a few different configuration options. What you want to find here is the section or tab labeled Reviews QR. Go ahead and click on Reviews QR. This is the dedicated place in GoHighLevel where you can manage and generate QR codes specifically designed to send your customers to your review page. Once you're on the Reviews QR page, you'll see a list of any QR codes you've already created, or the page may be empty if this is your first time. To create a new QR code, look for a button that says New or Create New and click it. This will open up a form or a setup screen where you can configure the details of your QR code. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. GoHighLevel will typically guide you through choosing which review link or funnel you want the QR code to point to, naming the QR code so you can recognize it later, and possibly customizing a few display options. Take a moment to give your QR code a clear name, especially if you plan to create different codes for different locations, events, or campaigns. When you're done filling out the fields, save your changes. GoHighLevel will generate your QR code and you'll be able to download it or copy it so you can add it to flyers, receipts, posters, or even digital assets like emails and landing pages.